Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram accounts or business accounts with Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, make sure that you have, first of all, a seller account in Etsy. And in this video, I'm just going to follow this guide on how to link the Instagram account. And basically here, we will need just to go down and those are the steps. So first you will need to have Instagram business account and you can simply like have your personal account to become a business account. You will need just to go to the settings and return it to a business account. And then you will start like having some tools that you can manage the business account with. And you will be able like to start accessing the Meta Business Manager. So by going to the Meta Business Manager, you will be able like to see in brand and safety in this menu. So you will have like a mini this menu. You will need just to go to domains. So basically by going to domain, you will need just to add the Etsy shop domain. So basically every shop would have like a domain. You will need just to add your shop name dot etsy.com. Then you will need just to copy the meta tag and you will have the choice. Then you will need just to go to the settings here in Etsy. So we go to settings, and from here you will find Facebook shops. So here you will just paste the meta tag that you have copied, and you click on connect. Then you will be able to verify. So you will go again to your business suite. You click on verify domain and then you will have your accounts that will be connected. Now you can be able to start like adding product to your Facebook catalog. So you will add them the product and then add shop to Instagram. So basically you will need just like to access your Instagram profile and go to settings privacy and then in the business you will go to shopping website and then you will add the domain name that you have added into the Facebook manager and from there you can start tagging the products on Instagram. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.